Welcome to our video exploring the question of whether cryptocurrency or gold is the better investment. In this video, we will explain the key differences between these two investment options and take a look at their historical performance in order to determine which one is ultimately the best choice. What are cryptocurrency and gold? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that uses cryptography as a security measure to make transactions secure while also providing an alternative form of payment. It is often used for making payments over the internet, and it enables users to hold their own funds without interference from third parties. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, though there are many others on the market as well. Gold, on the other hand, has been used as a medium of exchange for many centuries due to its properties of rarity and durability. This makes it an ideal store of value. It can also be divided into smaller units for trading purposes and can be easily exchanged in different currencies. Gold prices tend to move more slowly because supply remains relatively constant over time and demand follows cycles, for example due to seasonal effects. Historically speaking, gold has held up well in times of economic uncertainty, during periods of inflation and deflation, because its use as a form of money goes back further than any existing fiat currency today. Key differences between cryptocurrency and gold. When deciding whether cryptocurrency or gold is a better investment option, there are some key differences that you should consider. First, cryptocurrencies are much more volatile than gold prices. They can rise or fall rapidly over short periods of time due to their tendency to be impacted by news events or speculation which may cause sudden swings in prices. Furthermore, since cryptocurrencies do not have any intrinsic value like gold does, their value relies primarily on its utility as a currency, meaning it's only worth what someone is willing to pay for it at any given time. Finally, cryptocurrencies are not yet widely accepted as tender for goods and services in comparison with gold, which has been used as money for millennia in various forms across cultures all over the world. Additionally, investing in cryptocurrency requires access to technology that allows you to buy tokens using your bank account or credit card, whereas buying physical gold does not require special equipment or any tech savvy. This makes gold more accessible than crypto investments when it comes to the entry costs associated with buying either asset class. Analysis. Which is the better investment? Ultimately, when evaluating cryptocurrencies versus gold as an investment option, it's important to consider your goals, both financial and otherwise, when making this decision. If you're looking for short-term profits, then perhaps investing in something like cryptocurrency may make more sense given its potential volatility. However, if you're seeking long-term security, then investing in something like gold may be your best bet given its inherent stability with respect to inflationary pressures and its track record for holding up well during times of economic crisis throughout history. Ultimately, it comes down to how much risk you're willing to take on. If you feel comfortable taking risks with your money, then maybe investing in cryptocurrency could pay off. However, if you're looking for something less speculative, then investing in gold may be your better bet. Moreover, if you're looking for diversification away from traditional assets such as stock markets, then adding some amount of cryptocurrency exposure could provide an attractive source of non-correlated returns, which could help offer downside protection against losses from other positions within your portfolio. In addition to the differences outlined above, it's also important to consider how these two assets are taxed when making an investment decision. Cryptocurrencies are subject to capital gains tax in many jurisdictions, while gold is generally not taxed at all. Therefore, investing in cryptocurrency may incur additional taxes which could reduce overall returns on investment. This should be taken into account when choosing between these two asset classes. It's also important to note that cryptocurrency investments do not offer any dividend income, unlike gold and other precious metal investments which can provide investors with dividend payments from mining companies or bullion banks. Furthermore, most physical gold investments, such as coins and bars, come with a premium markup, meaning you have to pay extra money for the privilege of owning them as an investor. This cost may add up over time and reduce overall returns relative to cryptocurrencies, which largely do not have such fees associated with them. Another key factor that should be considered when evaluating between cryptocurrencies and gold is liquidity. Investing in cryptocurrencies is much more liquid than investing in gold, due to the fact that transactions can take place quickly and easily through digital exchanges worldwide, something that cannot be said of physical gold purchases, which often require larger quantities of money and must go through specific channels, such as dealerships or clearinghouses, before they can be bought or sold. This means that if you want to liquidate your positions quickly, then investing in cryptocurrencies may make more sense given their relative liquidity versus traditional precious metals investments. Finally, one last distinction between gold and cryptocurrency investments is transparency. Most cryptocurrency transactions take place on open blockchain networks, where all participants can view each transaction taking place. This provides a level of trustworthiness since all parties involved know exactly what's happening at any given point in time. Gold, on the other hand, is not transparent as it often involves opaque processes such as dealing with middlemen who may charge fees or increase prices without anyone knowing about it, making it difficult for average investors to understand what's really going on behind the scenes. Overall, both cryptocurrencies and gold can make for attractive investment opportunities depending on your goals and risk appetite. However, by understanding some key distinctions between these two asset classes, you can make more informed decisions regarding your portfolio allocations going forward. It is clear that both cryptocurrencies and gold can be attractive investment opportunities depending on an individual's risk appetite. While cryptocurrency investments may offer more liquidity than physical gold purchases, there are other factors to consider such as taxes, dividend income potential, premiums associated with buying physical gold, and transparency of each asset class. Ultimately, the decision between these two assets comes down to understanding your own financial goals while also taking into account all the nuances outlined above when making a final decision.